Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akingbola Ezekiel again here. Today I want to show you how to run Facebook ads on your mobile phone. Now the mobile phone has been proven to be with virtually everybody. Everyone you see today has a mobile phone or the other. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to run Facebook ads with your mobile phone, and this is going to be a step-by-step video. So please, when you start, make sure you watch till the end so that you can get maximum value from this video. I'll be making series of video to back up this video in order to make you understand how to run Facebook ads properly and get maximum result when doing that. From the previous video I did Facebook ads on your mobile phone, that I got over 18,000 views. So in this video I want it to go viral like it did the last time. Without further ado, in this video I'll also be showing you, let me check my channel. Let's check my channel so that you see the video I'm talking about, the exact video I'm talking about. Where is it? Okay, it's somewhere around here. Okay, this is it. So you see I got about 18,000 views. Okay, I got about 18,000 views on this particular video, and I'm planning to do that for this particular video. So please make sure you watch to the end of this video. So what you will need to do first, let's go into our phone. What you need to do first is to go to your Facebook Play Store. Go to your Play Store. This is my Play Store. So now when you get on your Play Store, all you need to search for is Ads Manager. Then you install the Ads Manager, Facebook Ads Manager app. Okay, so now it's asking me to continue as Akingbola Ezekiel or to create a new account. So in this particular ad account, I have some disabled account and the other things like that. So let's continue as Akingbola Ezekiel. So if you want to log into yours, so it might not bring up your Facebook account, so you might have to log in with your Facebook account details. So your Facebook account detail is the same as the details you are going to be using for your ads manager as well. Do you get that? So the account I would like to use, you can decide to create a new account. You can decide to create a new account, but before you create the new account, you must have created it before you come to the ads manager. Do you understand? You should have done that before you come to the ads manager. So between these two accounts, I want to use this 360-second ads to show you what I mean. So I think this ad is probably disabled or something, but okay, it's restricted to run ads, but I'll use this video to show you what I mean. So please take note of this. So subsequently I'll also be showing you how to enable restricted accounts, and also how to make sure your account that has been restricted to be enabled. Okay, so what we need to do is, first let me show you the interface of the ads manager. The first thing, you come to this place, you have three buttons there. So first thing, you can come from this place, you can select the particular ads account you want to. This particular one is disabled. I'll be showing you how to enable your ads account as well. So this one, I have no active campaign. So for this particular ads, this is what I want to be selecting. So you select the ad account you want to use here. So once I do that, then I can come here to, before I create a new campaign, so let's check out the payment. So what most people have been, from the last video I did, what I noticed is that most people don't know how to add payment to their ad account using the phone method. So let me show you how to do that here. So all you need to do is to come to your Facebook the payment. Once you come to the payment, then you go ahead to you can see that your Facebook payment. Then you can see that on this particular account there is nothing there. So you can decide to add a payment method. You can see that you can decide to add a payment method. So in adding a payment method, I'll show you. You'll see that come up now. So you can decide to pick your region, Nigeria, your currency, depending on your currency, and your time zone. This is Africa. So you click on next if that's okay. Then how do you want to add the payment? Do you see that? So do you want to be using debit card or you want to use local card? So if you want to use a debit card, that means you have your ATM, that's your valve, your Visa, your MasterCard, you can use that here. But if you are not doing that, you can use your local card. Your local card will allow you to make payment very easily. I'll advise you to always use your local card. Is that taken? So if you have an ad credit to claim, you can tick this and it will ask you for the details on doing that. So I don't have that. So let's click on local card and click on next. So let's say you want to add an amount. Let's say you want to add 4,500 for instance, or you want to add more than that. You can decide you want to add 5,000 naira. Do you understand? So you allow that, then you click on next. You see, I hope you understand what I'm doing. So this is very simple and very easy to do. Very simple and very easy to do. It will be asking me to put in my full name on card, my card number, ask me for the expiring date, security code, then I continue to pay. So very easy. Just you keep going, then you'll be able to make the payment for your 5,000 naira. I hope it's very clear. So that, by the way, let me move on to the other things we have for this particular video. So I've shown you how to add your payment method. Now you can add a payment limit. Now this payment limit is that you are trying to reduce, or maybe in the advanced class I'll be giving you more detail because there are other information attached to this and reason why you have to put some of these things in place. Do you get that? So in the advanced class I'll be putting you through on that. So you can chat me up. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number under the video in the description below, and make sure you check it out. Okay, now so in this particular spending limit, the reason why you do that, you can control your total ads cost by setting an account spending limit. Your ads will pause when you reach the limit you set and won't run again until you increase or remove the limit. Do you see that? So this is you want to manage the amount of money you are spending depending on the productivity of your ad. Do you understand? So I'll be making sure I do more of this explanation in our advanced class. So let me go back. So your billing control, your payment activity, so you can go to pay support, you can go to help center, depending on what you want to do. In subsequent video, I'll be showing you some other things as well. So let's see how to create a campaign. So you go on to click on create campaign. So on the create campaign option, there are different campaign options. So subsequently, in the other videos, I'll be explaining different kind of campaigns and why you should run a particular campaign or the other. So there are reasons why you need to run a post engagement campaign instead of a video view campaign. There should be a reason why you are running a website traffic campaign instead of a reach campaign. There should be a reason why you are running a website conversion campaign instead of a messages campaign. Do you see that? So there are different marketing objectives you must have in mind. Do you understand? Before you run your ad, and why should you be having that particular? So these are the things you must understand first. So let's say I want to run a post engagement ad. Click on post engagement. Post engagement. So I've clicked on post engagement. So in this particular campaign, no post is there. So you can decide to create a post using this create post option, or that's from Facebook. And also if it's on Instagram, so your Facebook, your ads need to have been connected to Instagram. So you can decide to create a post from your Instagram. So let's say I want to pick a post from Instagram. I want to advertise my business registration. For instance, I do business registration for people with CAC, with NAFDAC, with trademark as well, and the rest. So let's say I want to advertise this particular post. This post I want. So once I select it, I can come here and click next. So who do I want to run this ads to? So there are other things. Now listen, actually the mobile phone version is a bit limited to an extent, but it can still give you maximum result if you know what to do. Though limited, but can give you maximum result. So what do we do now? So who do you want to run this ad to? So first, you can decide to run it to those people who have liked your page before. If you have run an ad to them before, you can decide to also run an ad to people who liked your page and their friends. You understand? So most times people that follow each other, they are, like it is always said, that birds of the same feather flock together. Is that also? So you want to believe that those that have liked your page would have friends that have the same interests as them. So that's why you're picking this particular option if you want to. So if that's not what I want, let me untick, or let me leave it that way. So let's say I want to create a new ad, a new audience. Now I will not be showing you how to create a new audience in this particular video. I'll be showing you how to create a new audience in another video, because this video is getting a bit longer. Now create a new audience. So I want to show you creating, just pick an audience. So I think, let's say I've selected this. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how to do a better job creating a new audience. Okay, so let's say that's the audience I want to advertise to. So the next thing I do is click on the next button here. So how do I want my ad to be, campaign budget to be? Is it daily? Is it lifetime? How much do I want to spend per day? So I can come here and edit how much I want to spend for this particular ad. Adjust your budget using the button or by trying to type in the amount you want to spend. So how much do I want to spend on this particular ad? So minimum, I would advise you spend up to minimum of $5 to $10. So that's about 2 to 3, 4, 5,000 naira. So depending on the kind of ad you are running, the kind of audience you are trying to target. So when you spend more, you tend to have Facebook tend to give you better audience, better people who have higher engagement. Do you understand? So that's a story for another day. So do you want to run this ad continually? So depending on your preference, you pick. Depending on your preference, you pick. So delivery. Now this delivery is very important. It also can determine the extent of your ad, the reach of your ad. So now optimization for ad delivery. Now, is it by impression? Impression means that your ad will be delivered to people as many times as possible. So people keep seeing your ads. You know, have you seen a particular ad that you keep seeing? For instance, ads from Konga. You keep seeing it severally, so many times as possible until the person takes an action. Do you see that? So is it by post engagement? We deliver your ads to the right people to help you get the most likes, shares, or comments. Remember, we already picked post engagement before now. You also have an option for daily unique reach. So we deliver your ads to people up to once a day. So you can show the person, Facebook will be showing the person an ad today, show them another ad tomorrow. So in that order. So automatic and also manual. So I'll be going through this in the subsequent videos. So the next thing we're going to be doing next is to publish our ad, and then we are good to go. Good to go. I hope this video has been very helpful. So let's see. So you can save this particular ad and come back to it. So this particular ad is ready. Do you see that? This particular ad is ready. So all I need to do is to place an order. Actually, remember, there's no money on this account, so it will not run. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have your money in your account or your ATM already connected to your account. That's 1. 2, also make sure that you have possibly a post that you can select from, or you can create a new one. So those are the 2 major things you need to have done before now. So I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has been very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel. It will really help me to get my message across to a lot of audience. We're about to reach the 1,000 target, and I hope you help me to do that. So make sure you comment. If you have any question about your ad, make sure you drop your comment below. I will make sure I attend to them. And all those that have made comment on my previous videos, I will start making videos to attend to your different questions this year. Thank you very much. I love to see you in the subsequent videos. I still remain Ezekiel Akingbola. Love you all. Ah, Jesus.